Today I'm going to be showing you correctly how to clean your electric scooter, or whatever you do, no matter what the IP rating on your electric scooter. Do not take a power hose to it because you will do damage. All you got to do, take a dustpan brush, make sure the dirt is dry, and even use a toothbrush to get into those really tight spaces. Take your time doing this, and at the end of this video I'm going to be showing you a couple of things that I do to maintain the brake discs. I know it's a filthy job, and make sure you do cover the carpet or the floor in your area because you don't want to destroy it with all the potential oil, grease and dirt. Clean around the bearings as well. It's quite important because you can get dirt caught in there easily, causing issues potentially down the road. Put it on a stand, and you can use any type of degreaser spray. The one I'm using I'm going to link in the description. It settles for a few minutes and then it basically dissolves the dirt, making it so easy to clean. As you can see here, it's really good spray and the scooter looks brand new. I'd highly recommend just taking your time doing this if you want your scooter looking really nice. Maintenance is priority on any PEV, to be completely honest. Next thing is to clean those brake discs. All you got to do is give it a shake, spray it on a nice clean cloth and go around the brake disc. This will give you optimal stopping power, and of course it will also help if you have squeaky brakes as well. At the end of the day, a few minutes doing something like this makes the scooter look nice, and it can help lengthen its lifespan.